fucking pouring. We're out of the rain. And come on, Joe, put your thing on blast. Look at this. Look at this. Oh.
That up there, I think it looks so cool, man.
This is where we're sleeping tonight. Alright, let's explore these. Let's explore this in the morning, I reckon.
There's a lot of rock bars, man. A lot. Man, imagine coming across this and doing this on your own. Fuck, man, you'd be so gripped with fear.
This place is fucking magnificent. Omnipotent. Someone's in my bivy bag. Yeah, so we're in the not the chamber, the cave, the quarry right now, and this is us lying down here, and yeah, it's pouring rain outside, and so good morning, guys. This is I'm talking to the camera, not you. Oh, it's all right. You can stay asleep. You can stay asleep. The morning view. Inside this cave, chasm, quarry, and he was snoring, and I was so freaked out about him snoring. I thought it was some sort of weirdo creep because it didn't sound like it was coming from him. It sounded like it was coming from like somewhere else in here. I was just like, what the fuck, man? We're gonna get killed or something. Like, who the hell would be in here? Who in their right mind would be in here? What? There's goldfish in there. You almost just fell in. Sounds amazing. Whoa. This place is freaking cool. That's where we slept, just around there. Jay, you through here? Wow. Oh, whoa. That is really freaking cool, man. Look at this. This is where you shouldn't be lingering, I think. I'm not sure if I can get up here holding the GoPro. Oh. Oh. Woo. Well, this is incredible. So this is a well, this is a quarry, so this is not natural. Yeah, it's like some sort of jungle. So we're gonna venture into this other cave we need a light for. These rocks are slippy as frick. Alright, let's go in, I guess. Jack, this looks fucking creepy, dude. I don't know how long it is, but... Let's go.
Yeah, look at the head, especially you.
Wait, can you shine a light around, Jack? Oh, fuck. Right, you need to remember which ones we go down. We don't know how big this place is. We've got a choice here. Is that a cage up there? Wow. Shine light down that little chasm. Whoa, is that an exit? Light at the end of the tunnel. Bending down.
Yeah, it's getting pretty small. Warm straight away.
Wow, it is warm out here. Wait, I'm confused. This seems like looks like the tunnel we come in.
I feel like it's at the top of the tunnel we came in or something like that.
No, it's definitely not. We walked straight in.
No, it's like
It was much bigger.
we were on like the opposite side. We slept just around the back of that. Whoop! Whoop whoop! Oh. Is there anything else for here? Yeah, I don't think we're going through there.
By the end of today, we'll really know a lot about ourselves and each other. Whew.
Oh! Spiderweb. Tries to put my head through.
Oh, you just fucking go through there.
So we're on top of the mine now, and just having a great time. Bit disconnected though. Look at this beautiful valley. All this loose shingle from them exploding stuff. Those capitalist scumbags come in here thinking they can take the natural resources,
Get more connected to nature and stuff like that, and do things like wild camp in these weird places and wild poop and stuff like that.
wild poop.
Because then it brings you so into this,
Wild
into this
poop.
environment. If you're feeling disconnected because of any small reason, then just obviously do this kind of stuff instead.
Yeah, yeah.
Like-
Disconnect from
Just look at this, man. Look at this, just beautiful. Okay, so we've gone north to Keswick, spelt Keswick, and dropped some trash off. And also apparently there's a veggie vegan restaurant. Is that what you saw, yeah? Veggie vegan restaurant just up here somewhere. So gonna go hit that up, give them some custom. Support the local vegan veggie businesses when we're in town. That's usually what we do. Give a bit of capital, little capitalist scumbags.
There's nothing more violent than giving a local company money. Stop it, don't do it ever.
Cash only, guys. Cash only, they're tax-free scumbags. Should we see what's on the menu? Wow, cheers. Oh man, that looks good rice. That looks good rice. Look at the scenery we're eating this in as well. Not that. Dear God, anything with that. Anything. And look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's toucan. That's toucan.
Doing the shit that we do. Around with it.
Yeah, sweet potato with some lentils and
Well, man, those lentils
some
are
other
huge.
stuff. Kale, is that kale? Wow, I'm getting healthy right now. Superfood.
Ooh.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh, the sweet potato is really sweet. They're adding my favourite ingredient to this.
Don't.
Sugar!
Yeah. Bang! 9/11 was an inside job.
Best deal in town. Best deal in town.
What we do now is we make that money back
Yeah.
by doing some busking.
Yeah, we busted, baby. I think that we're capitalist scumbags. We're making profit here.
They look like they know some stuff.
They got wisdom.
I know, they look wise.
He's an old man.
I bet they've got a special bar.
Jake, some of the cash out here, come on, man. What are you doing? Why are you in the other lane? Ah! Jack, what are you doing? Come off
What
this
if this is actually a different road?
It's not. We hit
Sure.
Yeah.
I fucking...
We're off to Hell, try and hike up Hell Villains. We're not really sure exactly where it is or anything like that, but
Just like Garfield Pike.
Just like Scaffold Pike, we're gonna figure it out on the way up. Doggy.
Wait, let me call it over.
Go and call it over. Turned around. What's your name then? Oh, such a soft doggy. Okay, so after me and the friendly dog, we're now commencing the hike up Helvellyn, which I'm just going to go ahead and say is the second highest mountain in England.
And the one with the highest death toll.
Highest death toll
in the Northern Hemisphere.
In the Northern Hemisphere. No, it's not. But I think it's only when it's snowy. It's not snowy today. The weather's pretty good today.
No. The most recent
No, Jack, stop fucking up the fucking film, dude.
Fuck you, dude. Relax.
No, I'm not relaxed. Hold on, should we actually look at the map? No, we won't look at the map.
Should we take a photo of the map?
My
Oh, no,
heart's
it's
going
only
crazy.
for...
So we're going up, basically going up Helvellyn, and
What?
we're going to see what happens.
Like a real hiker.
905 meters, I believe. Your bag's open. Old man style. Come on, guys. We've got 5 hours till sunset. How long we got till sunset?
5 hours.
Fuck knows. We don't even fucking know. We're going. We're just doing it. We're just doing it.
We don't even know which mountain we're going.
Got all our sleeping gear. Right, so we've been walking up this track, which is probably about 30% gradient. And yeah, we're not really sure which direction to head in. We're just walking. That's part of the fun of it. And the view becomes steadily and steadily more beautiful. I think we've got to go over there though, so I don't know if this is a valley or what. It could be out there. So a little update. I'm not sure if we're on the right path. We saw people hiking up the mountain on the other side of what seemed like a little valley. They seem to be going up where we wanted to go. And we're just kind of following this other trail, and we're not sure if it's going to link up, so it should be interesting. I mean, it's beautiful either way, and we haven't really got any time constraints. We can go up tomorrow and wild camp somewhere near here if we need to. But, oh.
Do we do it?
Do not enter. We're on the other side of a do not enter sign. Yeah, I think we should exit. Let's see why we shouldn't be entering. The forest, pathways and roads are currently undergoing major construction work following damage caused by Storm Desmond. It is not safe.
Storm Desmond.
It's alright, we're safe again now. What you just saw there was highly dangerous. Look at this building, camping there. Let's follow, fuck, there doesn't seem to be a path.
Right, let's go
And I just got a really wet foot. Oh, there we go, we're across. So now we're trying to find a path which probably doesn't exist. I mean, this looks like it's been kind of trodden, but it might be trodden by animals.
We're animals.
We're animals. That didn't really look like a path, and we found like a kind of clear bit of rocks. So we're just going up. We're just going up off piste. One of the most deadly mountains in the UK.
It must be the most deadly.
Maybe the most deadly. We're just going off piste. Me and Jack have a lot of experience with this, so we're just saying like don't be inspired. So this is what we're now going up, just pure ferns, which is kind of funny. This is what this. Look at this. This is yeah, this wouldn't be recommended. But I don't know why would there be a stile there if there's no path, you know?
Therefore this must be the path.
Therefore this must be the path. This is, I don't know, this is the official Helvellyn path. This is the path we chose up the mountain. Should we go kind of do a diagonal up? Yeah. Oh, there's a sheep. Hey, Baha!
Oh, is that a hawk? Look.
Woo!
Oh shit, man, he just launched.
It's coming for us. So we've just been coming straight up this fern shit here, and we're going up. Right, let's go across here then, guys. Like the famous trail. Ah, there's a couple of them.
And that's how you do that.
Woo! Freedom!
So now we're free from, we climbed up from those trees down there, all the way to here through that, ferns. You reckon we might be on the halfway now?
Yeah, probably. Man, probably over halfway.
So we did some ascending just then. Hey guys. Oh, you're cute.
I'm a sheep too.
Hey. I'm a sheep. Ma. Oh, they're taking a trail there. Little rock trail. Directly up kind of seems... Yeah, fuck it. Directly up. Don't reconstruct this. Do not reconstruct this. Do not check out the Strava route and do not try and do it. I'm not going to be held responsible. Is that human poop? Fuck. Maybe we're not the first ascent.